harap ng Lanson's Place. Ayan, makikita niyo. Ito na po sila. Ito na po yung mga members na magpa-participate sa fun run. Tapos nakalagay rito, take care. Ayan po sila. Ayan, dito na kami. Ayan, dito na po kami.
Next to the PlayStation controller is a focus framework.
Ito po yung sa fun run. Ayan silang pera.
The really main essence of this to remind everyone that we are so blessed to have a family and we all belong to a family.
Hello guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po till my next vlog. And don't forget, if you subscribe, to click also the notification bell in order for you to be updated in my next video that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah.